Browse ba yung tawag? How can I, you can search. I have email there in my channel, or other link. What else? Oh my god, patumitin ko. Wait, almost fit. Ano? Oh. Oh, here's. Ah, it's so hot. Unique Christian, hello. Let's eat, guys. Oh, see. I don't have WhatsApp. Yeah. Wait, guys. So hot. Tastes good. What flavor is this? Chicken flavor. Looks patirari. Oh, maybe the different is the name. Sotanghon. This is what we call sotanghon. I don't have WhatsApp number. Yeah, it's hot. I'm shy. I'm shy. It's good. Soon, I'm going to put my WhatsApp number if I have WhatsApp. I'm shy. I'm a shy person in personal. Huh? Hey Danielle, how do you know your skin's glowing or is the light? Okay, I'm going to turn off the light. Maybe the light. Oh. It's too good. It's already it's dark. What else? I'm going to turn off the other light. Oh. I don't have any I don't have any lights. See, it's dark. Get any candles. Because someone says my skin is glowing. What are you eating? I'm eating cup noodles. Sotanghon. See? It's dark. Hi, welcome. Oh my God. Did you already come to Cavite? Did you already visit Cavite? Or only in Manila? It's good. Sarap.